my friends, my name is Vannessa Fernandilla, Fannessa. I'm from TBI 1B. Let's learn how to pronounce sounds A, E, O, U, and L with me. The first, I will describe an example of pronoun sounds A and E. Number 1. My cat comes to me with a ball. Number 2. Mothers told me to grab butter. Number 3. My sister is standing beside uncle. Number 4. My brother's ankle hurt from running down the stairs. Number 5. With the camera, he recorded the rock. Number 6. Yesterday, she ran super fast. Number 7. There is an bag in his cap. Number 8. My brother has a bag with a truck picture. Number 9. I slipped a cup of coffee and hurried to find a rock. Number 10. I mad at him because he talks too much. Number 11. I expect a fun match from him. Number 12. I went back to the kitchen to cut the tomatoes. Number 13. The hag who hugged my sister was my friend's mother. Number 14. The truck is full of mud. Number 11. Playing the fan is fun. The second, I will describe an example of pronoun sounds O and O. Number 1. I know it's a dirty dog. Number 2. This coat is too small. Number 3. Nana lost her old book. Number 4. I woke up late for the airport. Number 5. A color is my close friend. Number 6. He made a snowball. Number 7. I was cutting the bow with a saw. Number 8. He walked over to the couch. Number 9. I told her not to make fault. Number 10. It's always cold here. Number 11. I took the ball in the hall. Number 12. She hope can enjoy this autumn. Number 13. She was caught shaving. Number 14. I play a long sports video. Number 15. I bought book. The third, I will describe an example of pronoun sounds U and O. Number 1. Look at the sky, it's blue. Number 2. The students are stood. Number 3. I have good movie. Number 4. Tuesday I'll make cookies. Number 5. I pulled my doll from the pool. Number 6. Today my kitchen is full of food. Number 7. A woman introduced herself to me. Number 8. I went to buy fruit and sugar. Number 9. After school, my sister bought a balloon. Number 10. I'm cooking stewed potatoes. Number 11. I saw a wolf in the zoo. Number 12, because of the rain, I bought an umbrella to buy pudding. Number 13, I moved on the boat. Number 14, I'm choosing shampoo. Number 15, my book is coming soon. Okay, I hope you can understand and can practice well. Bye bye.